Hi viewers, welcome to Baruch Forex Trading Academy. Today I'll be sharing with you one of the simple and easy method to realize profitable Forex trade with reasonable risk with good money management. I'm saying good money management. I have to stress this, folks, because without good money management, it's very hard for you to be a successful trader. You can use many methods. I'm not saying the method that I'm sharing is the only method. There are many methods, but all boils down to how good you are in your money management. Before we start, I would like to remind you, as usual, all the information in this video is for educational purpose and should not be considered as financial advice. Okay? Let's have a look what's happening on this currency pair. I'm looking at CAD JPY, okay, Canadian Japanese yen. You can see this is a 1 hour chart, okay, and this method we deploy SMA200, simple moving average 200 with price action, okay. When I say price action, you must look at the candlestick, okay. And basically here in this method, I'm more focused on the especially the pin bar and engulfing candles. And this method I use on 1 hour chart because I do trade within a day. I close my trade, okay. And for me, I feel 1 hour chart is more suitable with my style of trading. Okay, this method, the most important thing is I'm emphasizing on the risk ratio. Okay, I'm more interested in cutting my loss as soon as possible, and I can't lose too much, right? So I want to minimize my loss to the minimum and maximize my profit as much as possible. Okay, so first of all, you insert the simple moving average 200 period, okay, and after that what you need to see is the price action. Whenever the price cross over as a simple moving average of 200 or move down, okay, or cross down on the 200 moving average, okay. So in this case, if you look at the chart here, okay, I can see the pin bar here, okay, and before that this price has crossed, okay, cross the 200 moving average, and it retests again and go up and retest again. So when the price is retest twice, I feel that is the good chance or good probability, okay, where the price may go up. As I mentioned earlier, I want to minimize my loss. So because here this is a support here, see, this is a support. So worst case, the price may come and may go back, okay. So with that, I'm taking a very minimum loss here. Then I'm targeting my profit to this level because I know this is a resistance level, right? So it's somewhere here. So I'm looking at risk ratio over 1 to 4, okay. For me, it looks good, okay. Then you look at this area, again you have a pin bar and the price has come down but cannot penetrate. It couldn't penetrate, then go up, try to penetrate again, but it moves up again. And this tells me that, okay, there's a high probability that this price may go up. So with this, I'm taking my trade here, then I'm putting my loss. The loss I'm putting here because I can. Okay, let's look at another example. Same currency, Canadian Japanese yen. You can see the 200 moving average. Okay, so if you look at the 200 moving average, it's going up. Okay, sometimes I do take trade here because I know that this is kind of like is getting the support and move, but again for this lesson I'm not going to share how I do take the trade here. Okay, so let's focus on the simple method that I was saying earlier. Okay, so if you look at this area, the price gone up, then it came down, it couldn't penetrate, go up, come down, go up, down, then sort of like it penetrate, then it went down and retest. So normally I give priority whenever the price is retesting the moving average, because when it retests, right, I can see the pin bar here, pin bar, and if I were to take the risk, so this will be my loss. Okay, my loss compared to if the trade went in the same direction that I was expecting, so I can make a good profit here. So it is like 1 to 4.5 risk ratio. So if I lose this trade, it's only a small portion here because I put the stop loss here, because this is the area where you can see the kind of like resistance, right? So I set my stop loss here, then if the price move down, then I set my profit taking here. Okay, so this is how I trade using the 1 hour chart. Okay, another example, you can see here this area is like kind of like getting support, then at the same time the price is moving up because the lowest point, right, lower low, lower low, right. So when I see this kind of scenario here, you can see the price gone up, right, then it came down, retest, go up, retest. Basically you can see there are few times the price retest moving average 200 here, 200 moving average, retest, 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 retest. So this give me kind of like high confidence probability that this price may go up. So with that, I will take my trade here and set my profit taking here. Okay, and I set my stop loss here because this is the area is getting support previously. So in this case, I'm looking at risk ratio like all approximately 1 to 2.5 here. Okay, then I wait. One of the key one of the important thing in trade, whenever you do trade, you have to be patient. Sometimes if you are kind of like you don't have patience, that may lead you to losses. So you have to be patient and stick to one method and make sure the method that you try out, it really works for you. I suggest you can do back tests. Okay, once you do back tests, I suggest normally I do like 50 to 100 times and see what is the ratio of winning trade and losing trade. And with the risk ratio, you can always make a good profit. So in this area, if you look at it, the price penetrate the 200 and came down, then gone up again. So once it gone up again, high chance the price will come and retest to check whether the price getting support here. So you can see the pin bar here, the pin bar. So with this pin bar, I'm getting kind of confirmation saying that this price, high chance, it may go up. So with this, I'll take the trade here. And I set my profit taking at this region because I know this is the resistance area. So this will give you like 1 to 3 risk ratio. Okay. Okay, guys. So as I mentioned, this is a very simple and easy, but you have to be very patient. Okay. Let's meet in another episode. Till then, I suggest you to try out this method. Perhaps you can do a back test. I suggest 50 to 100 times to see if this method is really suit for your trading style and give you the desired result. Again, I would like to emphasize this video is only for educational purpose and it should not be considered as financial advice. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. I believe in sharing. Let's learn together and be successful forex trader. Okay, guys. Bye.